Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Tuya smart lock using an iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is nearby and your Bluetooth is turned on. Also, open the Tuya smart app on your phone. Now let's reset the smart lock itself. Stand close to the lock and remember the back cover is needed. Look at the reset button or reset hole on the Tuya smart lock. This button inside the battery compartment. Next, press and hold the reset button. Keep holding it for 5 to 10 seconds. You may hear a beep or a light flash. This means the lock is being reset. Once you hear the sound, you release the button. Your smart lock is now reset and ready to be added. Now go back to Tuya smart app on your iPhone. Then tap plus sign in the top right corner of your new device. Choose door lock or smart lock from the list. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4G, not 5G. Enter your Wi-Fi password when asked. Follow the instruction on the screen. The app will search for the lock and connect it. This may take a minute, so be patient. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.